Oh, okay, that last video I forgot to show you a couple of my short sleeves, so I'm going to show you that. This is just another one of the Flight 837 short sleeve version with the color switched. Let's see. All right, here's one that I came up with because last April, had my daughter riding around with me, and she was, a teenager listening to a bunch of rap and everything, and we was listening to some 90s stuff from Juvenile, and this idea came to me. Back that thing up. So, let's see, one more. Another hashtag trucker life. I didn't choose the road life. The road life chose me. So, anyway, there's my sleeveless. I'm going to maybe work on some more with summer coming up. Give me some more from that and whatnot. So, alright, we'll see y'all later.